pleased to welcome Pat Hill, Housekeeping Manager for Spelman College. Good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, why do you utilize GenEon?
I love GenEon, the Instaflow for my campus because it is easy to use, it's healthy, it's good for your health, it's not harsh chemicals that affects the staff or myself. I'm very happy with it.
How is the performance of the product?
The performance of the products is very good. We have a degreaser, which is the heavy-duty degreaser that we use on a lot of surfaces as far as bathroom, shower, cleaning. We also have the disinfectant that we love because it smells like a pool. They love it. And the glass cleaner, which is also an all-purpose cleaner.
Well, thank you. Well, tell us how GenEon impacts on your cleaning and sustainable goals.
Our sustainable goals here at Spelman is very productive because it's not expensive. It's the chemicals that we used prior to getting GenEon. It is keeping my staff safe, healthier, no respiratory issues that they've had in the past. So we're very happy with it.
Well, to follow up on that, have you noticed a reduction in absenteeism and chemical-related injuries?
Most definitely. It's been a big help, decrease in absenteeism here on campus, most definitely, due to chemical-related issues.
Has your custodial cleaning and disinfecting solution costs been reduced?
Big time. It went from 60-some thousand to like 1,000, 1,200 in the a year, and it's been amazing. It's been amazing.
Would you, and why would you recommend GenEon to other facilities?
I would recommend GenEon to other facilities because it is cost effective, it is healthier for your staff, the effects of it is it does well, it cleans like it says it cleans, and it's not harsh to your hands. I have some housekeepers that have eczema, and it doesn't affect, it doesn't even bother me, so it's been helpful to the point where I even use it at home. I have a home kit.
Well, thank you for your time. We appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you.
You're welcome.